Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Big Sweep. Today, let's talk Birkenstocks. These sandals are like the comfy best friend of footwear. They're always there for you. But just like any good friend, they need a little love every now and then. Cleaning your Birkenstocks might not sound like the most glamorous activity, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. Clean Birkenstocks look better, feel better, and last longer. Plus, it's so satisfying to see them looking brand new. So, are you ready to give your Birkenstocks the spa treatment they deserve? Let's gather up our supplies and get cleaning. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, free subscribe to the Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell for more tips and tricks on keeping your favorite items in top shape. Let's get going, shall we? Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's round up everything we'll need. It's always best to be prepared, so we don't have to stop midway to fetch something. Don't worry, we're not talking about a long, complicated list. Just a few essential items that you probably already have at home. Simple, everyday items will do the trick. No need for fancy or expensive products. Here's what we'll be using. Let's start with the basics. A soft bristled brush. An old toothbrush works wonders. It's perfect for getting into those hard-to-reach spots and scrubbing away dirt without damaging the material. Mild dish soap. A gentle touch is all we need. This will help break down any grease or grime without being too harsh on your shoes. Baking soda, our secret weapon for stubborn dirt. It's great for tackling tough stains and deodorizing at the same time. Water, good old H2O. It's essential for rinsing and diluting our cleaning solutions. A cleaning cloth or sponge, something soft to wipe away grime. Make sure it's clean and free of any abrasive materials. Optional water and stain protector, to keep your Birkenstocks looking their best. This will help repel water and stains, making future cleanings easier. Optional cork sealer for extra love and care for the soles. It helps maintain the integrity of the cork, keeping it from drying out and cracking. See, I told you it would be simple. With just a few items, we're ready to tackle the cleaning process. Now that we have our cleaning crew assembled, let's move on to the fun part, the actual cleaning. Get ready to see your Birkenstocks transform before your eyes. All right, let's start with the part of your Birkenstocks that gets the most love, the footbeds. These footbeds are the heart and soul of your Birkenstocks, providing that signature comfort and support that we all adore. These molded footbeds are what make Birkenstocks so comfy, so we want to treat them with care. They are designed to mold to the shape of your feet over time, creating a custom fit that enhances comfort with every step. First, remove the buckles from your Birkenstocks. This step is crucial as it allows you to access every part of the footbed without any obstructions. This will make it easier to clean every nook and cranny. You'll be able to reach those hidden spots where dirt and grime tend to accumulate. Now, mix a small amount of mild dish soap with warm water in a bowl. The key here is to use a gentle soap that won't damage the material of the footbeds. You want a nice, sudsy mixture, but not too soapy. Too much soap can leave a residue that's hard to remove and might affect the comfort of the footbeds. Dip your soft bristled brush, that old toothbrush I mentioned, into the soapy water and gently scrub the entire footbed. The soft bristles are perfect for getting into the textured surface without causing any damage. Pay extra attention to any areas that look particularly dirty or discolored. These spots might need a bit more elbow grease to get them looking fresh again. Once you've given the footbeds a good scrub, use a clean, damp cloth to wipe away any soapy residue. This step ensures that no soap is left behind, which could cause discomfort or damage over time. It's important to rinse the cloth frequently to avoid redepositing dirt back onto the footbeds. Clean water will help you remove all the soap and dirt effectively, leaving your footbeds looking and feeling like new. Now that the footbeds are sparkling clean, let's turn our attention to the soles. These hard-working soles take a beating, so they deserve some TLC too. Mix a paste using baking soda and water. It should have a thick, almost toothpaste-like consistency. Dip your brush into the paste and apply it to the soles of your Birkenstocks. Gently scrub the soles, paying extra attention to any crevices or textured areas where dirt tends to hide. The baking soda will work its magic to lift away dirt and grime without being too abrasive. Once you've scrubbed the soles thoroughly, use a damp cloth to wipe away the baking soda paste. Again, rinse the cloth frequently to ensure you're removing all the dirt and residue. Section 5. The art of air drying. Now that your Birkenstocks are squeaky clean, it's time to let them air dry. This is a crucial step, so don't be tempted to rush the process. Find a cool, dry place for your Birkenstocks to dry. Avoid direct sunlight or heat, as this can cause the materials to warp or fade. Let your Birkenstocks air dry completely. This usually takes about 24 hours, but it's better to err on the side of caution. Resist the urge to wear your Birkenstocks until they are completely dry. Putting them on while they're still damp can damage the materials and lead to unpleasant odors. Patience, my friend, patience. If you're finding this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow. Section 6. Shielding your Birkenstocks. Once your Birkenstocks are dry, you can give them an extra layer of protection with a water and stain repellent spray. This step is optional, but it can help keep your Birkenstocks looking like new for longer. Choose a water and stain repellent spray that's specifically designed for suede, leather, or nubuck, depending on the material of your Birkenstocks. Follow the instructions on the spray bottle carefully. Usually, you'll want to hold the bottle about 6 inches away from the Birkenstocks and apply an even coat. Allow the spray to dry completely before wearing your Birkenstocks. This usually takes a few hours. Section 7. Cork care, a special treat. The cork soles of your Birkenstocks also need a little love and attention. Cork is a natural material that can dry out over time, so it's important to keep it moisturized. You can purchase a cork sealer online or at most shoe stores. Apply the cork sealer to the soles of your Birkenstocks, following the instructions on the product label. Allow the cork sealer to dry completely before wearing your Birkenstocks. This usually takes a few hours. Applying cork sealer a couple of times a year will help keep the cork soles of your Birkenstocks supple and prevent them from cracking. Congratulations! You've successfully cleaned your Birkenstocks like a pro. Step back and admire your handiwork. Don't they look amazing? Cleaning your Birkenstocks might seem like a small task, but it's a rewarding one. Not only will your Birkenstocks look their best, but they'll also feel fresher and more comfortable to wear. Plus, regular cleaning can help extend the lifespan of your Birkenstocks, saving you money in the long run. Now that's what I call a win-win. Now that you know the basics of cleaning your Birkenstocks, let's talk about a few extra tips and tricks that can make a significant difference in maintaining their pristine condition. These additional methods will help you tackle even the toughest dirt and grime, ensuring your Birkenstocks always look their absolute best, no matter how much you wear them. For those stubborn stains on the footbeds, you can make an effective cleaning paste by mixing baking soda and water. Apply this paste directly to the stain and let it sit for a few hours. This allows the baking soda to break down the grime. Afterward, scrub gently with a brush to lift the stain away. To combat unpleasant odors, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda inside your Birkenstocks and let it sit overnight. This simple trick can work wonders in neutralizing any bad smells. The baking soda will absorb any unpleasant smells, leaving your sandals fresh and ready to wear the next day. When it comes to cleaning the buckles, use a cotton swab dipped in soapy water. This allows you to gently clean around the buckles without damaging the material. Pay attention to the small crevices where dirt can accumulate. Remember, a little care and attention goes a long way when it comes to maintaining your Birkenstocks. Regular cleaning not only keeps them looking good, but also extends their lifespan. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can ensure that your favorite sandals remain in top condition, looking and feeling their best for years to come. Whether you wear them daily or just on special occasions, proper care will make all the difference. Even with the best of intentions, sometimes things don't go quite as planned when cleaning Birkenstocks. But don't worry, most cleaning mishaps can be easily remedied. If your Birkenstocks are still wet after 24 hours, try moving them to a drier location with better air circulation. If the cork soles feel dry or rough after cleaning, apply a little bit of cork sealer to restore their moisture and smoothness. If you accidentally stained your Birkenstocks during cleaning, act quickly. Blot the stain with a clean cloth and try using a mild stain remover specifically designed for the material of your Birkenstocks. Remember, it's always best to test any cleaning product on an inconspicuous area of your Birkenstocks first to make sure it doesn't damage the material. Well, friends, there you have it. Everything you need to know to clean your beloved Birkenstocks like a pro. Remember, cleaning your Birkenstocks isn't just about aesthetics. It's about caring for your footwear and ensuring they feel as good as they look. So gather your cleaning supplies, put on some good music, and give your Birkenstocks the spa treatment they deserve. You'll be amazed by the difference a little cleaning can make. Happy cleaning, y'all! And remember, happy feet lead to a happy life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.